Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and if you found some jobs that you would like to apply for, click on that offer, and after that, first of all, you can see some information, and if you like and you would like to apply for this job, you have to click on the easy apply button at the bottom of the screen, sorry. And then here you can see that you have to give some information: your first name, last name, email, phone number. You have to upload your resume. After that, here you can see that there are some questions that you have to answer, and after that you can apply for this job. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.